Let's take a look at how you can navigate within a document inside of Photoshop. Now, sometimes when you're working in Photoshop, you'll be doing things like touching up very minute details. So chances are good you'll be using the zoom tool to zoom in really close to an area. Now, of course, this is a low-res version of the high-res picture from photospin.com, so it looks a little jaggedy right now. But I just want to show you how you can move around in a document just in case you're in this close. Well, you have this tool right here, which is called the hand tool, and you can either click on this tool and then click inside your document to move around, or you can invoke this same functionality by instead hitting the space bar. So what I'm going to do is click on my brush tool, turn this one off, and let's make believe I'm painting. And I want to move down here. I'll go ahead and hold my spacebar down. And as you see, the hand tool shows up. And now I can move through my image, let go of the spacebar, and continue to paint. So that's just one of the ways you can move around. Let's talk about how you can move around just in case you're not in full screen mode by pressing F, as I have here. Let's say that you're in a mode where you have these guys down here on the bottom and the sides of your document. These are your scroll bars. What you can do here is click on these little arrows to move around, or click in the middle of the scroll bar to move around in your document. And you can do that on the X and Y axes. And by the way, X is considered left to right and Y is up and down, or horizontal and vertical, whatever you want to call it when you're moving around inside your document. You can also move the entire document window by clicking on its title bar up here and just move it around. When you want to close your document, you can click on one of the buttons in the corners, and it depends on whether you're on a Mac or a Windows PC to decide whether they're going to be on this side or this side in your document. You can also navigate by going down to the bottom and entering a number so that you can control your zoom manually. Currently, I'm zoomed at 347%. So if I type in 200, for example, and hit enter or return, I've zoomed out so I can now see more of my image. You can also double click on the zoom tool and the hand tool to change how you view your document as well. So I'm going to hit F again to change back to full screen mode. So that is how you can move around and navigate inside of your Photoshop images.